Detective Mlambo thinks he might have reached a dead end in the case Yasizwe, but Nkosi is still worried. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So Detective Mlambo went to the office to question Faith, Nkosi and Ona. They tried to answer some questions, but it's not he was even starting to question them, and then he called the mom, Umaga Sizwe. Umaga Sizwe couldn't remember who the friend is. And then Nkosi attacks Umsizi saying we're here because of you, it's your fault. Umsizi like, calm down, man. Detective what is done. At the end, you guys think it's over. It's not. At Nkosi nje, I cannot trust you. Let's tell wena la. And then Shoki realizes how Nkosi is headed to the place, that dark place where he's bitter and angry all the time. MJ goes, please calm down. I don't want you to go back there. And then Ona is also worried, saying, when did we become this kind of people? Nkosi, good to see Cambela Mango detective, and then like, who are we? Nkosi is like 8 years in. This thing is like a liability kitty. At Ona, as we need to make them an offer, Bahambi and no faith. And then Ulaz and Pearl tried to dig some information from Ghost to find out why the detective was there. But Nico's like, don't worry about that. Then they start thinking maybe they're doing money laundering. And then Mampo Vance Ulaz about this whole thing. What kind of a mother treats his child like that? But Ulaz makes her realize that's her way of loving him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.